Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Conversation podcast. Today, we are going to talk about hobbies in a very relaxed and natural way. This episode is perfect if you want to practice listening and learn how to talk about your hobbies in English.
Hello, Emma. Hello, everyone. I really like this topic because hobbies are part of our daily lives, but many English learners don't know how to talk about them comfortably.
That's true. So let's start slowly. Daniel, can you explain what a hobby is in simple English?
Of course, a hobby is something you enjoy doing in your free time. You don't do it for money, and no one forces you to do it. You do it because it makes you happy.
That's a very clear explanation. Hobbies are like small moments of happiness in our daily routine.
Yes, especially when life feels stressful or busy. Talking about free time.
Let's talk about free time first. When do people usually do their hobbies?
Most people do their hobbies in the evening, on weekends, or during holidays.
Some people say they don't have free time.
That's true, but even busy people can find a little time, maybe 10 or 15 minutes.
That's a good point. A hobby doesn't need a lot of time.
Reading as a hobby.
Let's talk about reading. Why is reading such a popular hobby?
Reading is popular because it's quiet and relaxing. You can do it anywhere, at home, on the bus, or before sleeping.
What kind of people usually enjoy reading?
People who like learning, imagination, or deep thinking often enjoy reading.
Reading also helps improve vocabulary, especially for English learners.
Yes, reading in English is a very good hobby for language learners.
Listening to music is another common hobby.
Yes, almost everyone listens to music in some way.
How does music affect people?
Music changes emotions. It can make people feel calm, happy, motivated, or even emotional.
Do you think music is important in daily life?
Absolutely. Music helps people relax and express feelings. Physical hobbies and health.
Now let's talk about physical hobbies.
Physical hobbies include jogging, swimming, cycling, yoga, and playing sports.
Why are physical hobbies important?
They keep the body healthy and reduce stress.
Some people don't like exercise.
That's okay. A hobby should be enjoyable, not painful.
Creative hobbies are also very interesting.
Yes, creative hobbies include drawing, painting, writing, photography, and crafting.
Do creative hobbies require talent?
No, they require practice and enjoyment, not perfection.
That's a great message for beginners.
Cooking as a hobby.
Cooking is a wonderful hobby because you can be creative and practical at the same time.
What do people enjoy about cooking?
They enjoy trying new recipes and sharing food with others.
Cooking also helps people understand different cultures.
Yes, food connects people.
Modern hobbies.
Modern hobbies are changing.
Yes, today many people enjoy gaming, making videos, blogging, or learning online.
Are these real hobbies?
Yes, if they bring joy and relaxation.
Social hobbies are also interesting.
Yes, like team sports, dancing, or joining clubs.
Why are social hobbies important?
They help people make friends and improve communication skills.
Hobbies and mental health.
Let's talk about mental health.
Hobbies are very important for mental health. How so?
They reduce stress, improve mood, and help people feel balanced.
Balancing work and hobbies.
How can people balance work and hobbies?
By planning their time and respecting their own needs. That's good advice.
Talking about hobbies in English.
Let's practice some long sentences.
Sure. In my free time, I enjoy reading books because it helps me relax. One of my favorite hobbies is listening to music after work. I recently started jogging to improve my health.
Those are excellent examples.
Hobbies and culture.
Do hobbies depend on culture?
Yes, culture, weather, and lifestyle influence hobbies.
But everyone needs joy.
Exactly. Final thoughts.
What advice would you give to someone who doesn't have a hobby?
Start small, try different things, and listen to your feelings.
That's wonderful advice.
Your hobby should support your life, not stress you.
Thank you so much, Daniel.
Thank you, Emma. I really enjoyed this long conversation.
And thank you to our listeners. Keep practicing English and enjoy your hobbies.
See you next time. Bye.